Hello guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start registering video without having the further delay. So basically this video is going to be the routine of 2nd March 2025 and today is Sunday. So basically this video is going to be the routine of day 452 and in this video I'm going to tell you that what is actually happening in my throughout the whole video, what is actually happened, right? Such kind of things what is I am going to tell you, and after that I'll discuss some portion of the tenses, right? So let's start. Basically today I wake up and after that I washed my mouth and after that I brought milk and I came home and basically I ate food and went for the sleep again because I am feeling so tired. That is why. Then after that I wake up and after that I sit and after that I washed my mouth and after that I sat and after that I wrote my previous day's routine. I what I had done, I actually done, I have wrote previous day's routine video in a summary format, and after that I helped my mother to cook food, help my mother to cook food, and after that I ate food and taken rest, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. And one thing I just only want to request you that if you found any kind of mistakes, like whenever I speak in English, like any grammatical mistakes or any English error mistakes, so you kindly please tell me in the comment section. I'll really appreciate you that you're trying to help me to improve my English speaking skills. So this is all guys what is actually happened. Now I'm going to revise the remaining portion of the tenses from the negative tenses. So basically the negative tenses rules are subject plus do does plus not plus main verbs first form uh, plus object. Subject do does not main verb first form object. Subject plus do does main verb first form plus object. Basically I already know this rule, and I don't want I there is not required to learn this rule because I already know that. The rule which I don't know, I'll try to learn on the while shooting the video, right? So yes, the let's going to the learn the examples, right? So the first example is मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ. I do not tell a lie. I do not tell a lie, right? तुम दवाई नहीं लेते हो. You do not take a medicine. You do not take medicine, right? You do not take medicine. वह कोशिश नहीं करती है. See, now the question is what? Do or does? See basically is a kind of second person, right? So but it is singular. See is singular, so that's why we can use does. But in case of plural, if there were you, so you is the plural, then we can use their do. But see is singular, so we can use does. So the question was वह कोशिश नहीं करती है. So the translated version of this is she does not try, right? So basically this is the thing what is actually I want to talk about. So here is the three examples of here. So in the basically after completing this in the next upcoming videos, I'll try to discuss the questions of these tenses, right? So interrogative sentences. So the first is interrogative sentence. The rules are do does plus object plus main verb first form plus object. Basically I remember all the routine all the structure of the sentences of these tenses, so I don't need to revise so much. So examples are as क्या तुम खेलते हो. Example is क्या तुम खेलते हो. So the answer of this is do you play, right? The next is क्या तुम वहाँ रहते हो. Do you live there. क्या वह तुम्हें पढ़ाते हैं. do they teach you. Do he teach you, right? So now वह, and in Hindi basically वह and वे, such kind of sentences will be confusing. So while learning, throughout the whole learning, I totally understand where we can use, what we have to use in case of वह and what we have to use in case of वे, right? क्या वह तुम्हें पढ़ाते हैं, do he teach you, right? So this is the interrogative part, what is actually I want to talk it about. Now the next is the interrogative structure, double interrogative structure. Basically we have done, I have done affirmative, negative, interrogative. Now I am gonna to talk it about double interrogative sentences, that is in Hindi I have written it here. जिनका आंसर yes no में दिया जाए, that is double interrogative. जिनका आंसर yes no में दिया जाए, that is double interrogative tenses, right? Structure sentences, double interrogative sentences. So WH family plus the simple. Similarly, this is same structure of the interrogative, but firstly we have to add only WH family, right? So in the, maybe I think so, in every 12 tenses, right, double interrogative sentence is similar, it's totally 100% same, right? Maybe with the interrogative sentence, but we only need to add before the structure WH family, right? So that is the thing what is actually I want to talk it about, right? So the rules are WH family plus do does plus subject plus main verb first form plus object. WH family do plus do does plus subject plus main verb first form plus object. Examples are, तुम क्यों रोती हो, तुम क्यों रोती हो, why do you cry? वह क्या कहता है, वह क्या कहता है, what does he say, what does he say, right? So that is the thing what is actually I want to talk it about. So this is the all present tenses, what I present indefinite, only the present indefinite tense what I have covered till here. And yes guys, by this video this is the routine of 2nd March 2025. So by this video I have totally completed the day 452, and our next goal is to complete the day 500, right? To complete the day 500 as soon as possible. So as soon as possible, we also say ASAP, ASAP, right? I realized this. So ASAP, ASAP, as soon as possible, right? If somebody have to told that you have to come as soon as possible, then they can use you have to come in capital letters, ASAP, ASAP, right? So this is the kind of shortcuts where in the nowadays modern culture, people while chatting, while doing something, they usually use, right? And in another case, that is a kind of something different, what I can say, that is I don't know, that is we there are people usually say IDK, IDK, I don't know, IDK, I don't know, IDK, I don't know, IDK, I don't know, IDK, I didn't know, something like this, right? People usually speak about this, right? And since these are the some shortcut keys while people while chatting usually do. And yes, that is a thing what is actually happen. And there are so many kind of structure, and while in modern culture people are adopting something new technologies, as well as the new way of communication people are adopting. In the ancient time people can't communicate with each other in a very proper manner, but yeah, maybe I saw that the pigeon, right? The pigeon usually used to communicate with the people, right? So I'm not saying in the realistic life. Basically I've seen in the movie as well as in the anime cartoons, right? Basically in the India we call basically I don't know about anybody like Doraemon, Simpsons, this such kind of things. I usually say cartoon because in from my childhood days, the all everything in my adopted that is cartoon, not anime. I don't know, actually I don't know the difference between the anime and as well as the cartoon, right? So yes, that is the thing what is actually I want to talk it about. But but in realistic life I didn't use, in the real world I did not see that somebody is communicating with the pigeon by they wrote something, a message, and they situated to the leg of the pigeon, and they were, and pigeon after that fly to the particular destination wherever the wherever the message somebody want to send, right? That's such kind of thing what is actually I want to talk it about. So yes guys, I think it is enough for today. I have talked so much. First of all I told you about my routine, and after that I have discussed some topics of the tenses. So I think that guys, it is all enough for today guys. So let's end the video guys. See you, Radhe. Bye bye.